Downtown Grand, playing Lightning Link, best bet. Hubby's over there in his third bonus. And I just got my first one. Let's go. There we go. Yes. Oh, that's $10. Yes. We will take that all day long. Let's get some words. Come on. Ooh, let's go. We are still in our free spins. Last one. Come on, save it. Oh, that was our first spin of our bonus. Still got 9 more spins. Let's go. Do it again. Do it. Do it. We need a full screen of her. Come on. Re-trigger. Yes! Oh, we got it. And the horses. The jockey. Let's go. Okay, folks. What do we want? Say it with me. Words. That's fine. Babe. Oh, you're still filming. I'm so sorry. I'm like, big babe. Oh, that was his. Oh yeah, I know. I ordered one for him. Oh, you got it too. I know. No, that's fine. I'll take it. That's fine. No, yeah, that's fine. I'm like, you got change. I'm like, give her something and she has change, babe. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Okay. Thank you. All right. Let's go. Do it again. Do it. Do it. Oh. Come on. 7. Come on. Do it, 2. Oh. 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 Come on. There's my words. Last spin. Oh. That was not bad. All right. Almost back. Either. He's so mean to me. I low roll. I don't understand why he doesn't. The name of the channel is Loloslots. It means we low roll. Oh. Nope. Oh, we almost had it. Ooh, that's a good line hit. $1.30. Come on. There we go. Another $1.30. Okay. All right, folks. We will come back. We're gonna get that major. All right, folks. Few spins later. Let's do it. Let's get those words. Come on. Do it. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on. You better re-trigger. Do something. Oh, this is dirty. Hubby just got a bonus. He just sat down. You are so frustrating. Oh my gosh. And of course he's max betting, so that's where he's gonna say, it's because I'm max betting.
That's my alter ego.
Get it, babe.
Max bet.
Come on, babe. Get that major. Get that $1,000 major, babe. Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Oh,
Your
10's
mother.
good. Babe. Oh my god, wow.
Kitty cat.
Oh, that's so good. Yes. Press the button. Holy crap. Do it. Oh my god, do it, do it, do it. Oh, that was mean. words.
Why they call me Max Bet, baby?
Do it. Jack. Yeah. Come on. Oh my God. Wild. My minor. Come on. Nope.
I ain't gonna do it.
Come on. Do it.
Oh, do it again. Do it again.
Do it. Oh. Come on. Queens.
I'm cool with
That
$200
was
hit,
not
though.
bad. 202. Very
This is
nice.
Max Bet signing off.
Oh my gosh.
Here you go.
You are so ridiculous. All right, guys. I got $3 and Hubby got 2. Oh my God. Back to back. Yes. Come on, babe. Get that $1,000 major, baby. Come on. Get it, babe. Oh my God. Get it.
All
Come on,
right.
babe. Words. Yes. Come on.
Let's go.
Words. Yes. Come on. Get it, babe.
Do it.
Yes.
Oh, I saw that minor.
Come on. Yes. Words.
Mini. Nice.
Get it, baby. Come on. Let's get that major. Let's get a
Fill it
rainbow.
in. Fill it in.
Let's get that rainbow. Okay. Oh, that was awesome.
Still pretty cool, though.
Oh, no trumpet.
Change coins, change coins. Hey, babe, I think I'm winning.
Finally.
Here, you can have it back.
Oh no, I'm gonna watch you now. You do a backup, get another one. Come on, get that major.
Okay, I started out with like,
Yeah, I know.
but I
It's
want
about
I just
damn
want you to-
time. He
I
has
just
been
wanna show
losing
you.
all day. Go, babe.
I think
Come
I
on.
broke it. Is that right?
Hurry up, go.
Hey!
Entonces. All right. I win $3 and he wins 400.
I won 300.
Got 155, 355.
Do it.
Oh, look at that.
Do it.
Oh my God. That's 50. That's 125, 35, 45, 55. Another $155 already. Get the major, babe. Come on. Get a rainbow, babe. Get
Max
that
bet.
major.
Here we go.
Let's go. Do it. Yes.
Do it. Look at all
I saw
these
the major.
words.
I saw it.
The major was there.
Do it. Do it.
Ooh, 20. Ooh, 15.
These are no 1x wins. Let's go.
Manny.
Do it.
Come on.
Major.
5. Don't slow down on me now. Come on, fill it in.
Do it, major.
Oof. Come on, get in there. Pop.
Oh, last bit. Okay, come on. Oh, that
Still
was
good, though.
awesome.
Let's see this. Whatever, babe, she can have it at this point.
No. Holy shit. Who are you?
I'm Batman. Justice.
Do it again, babe.
Babe, I think I broke it.
Shut up. Do it again. Come on, get that major. Oh.
Hey, babe, hold this. It's hurting my winning hand.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. All right, folks. We are going to call it there for this video. This was Lightning Link. We were playing Best Bet. We were playing Bangle Treasures. There's Mr. Loloslots. And we are having an amazing time in Vegas. We are currently playing at the Downtown Grand. If you guys are ever in the area, come check it out. Take care. Hope to see you soon. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. We'd love to have you guys here.
It's me, Mr. Loloslots. All right, Lightning Link. $5 bet. Let's see what we got. Sorry for the glare. We are in Vegas at the Downtown Grand. Ooh, I want that. Give me that. I want to go to there. Dogs. Dynamite. $69. Yeah, bro. High five. It'll work though. Come on. Oh. Do it. Oh, come on. Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
Love you. All right, back to business. Don't tell her. Ooh, mira, look it. Ooh, $37. I will take it.
How much was your bonus?
Oh, you know, just a bunch of money. It was like $70.
Nice.
Ooh, come on. Over there, backseat gambling. Pew-pew! Midnight Boys. Pistolas. Do it. Oh. Badges. We don't need no stinking badges. Alright. I'm leaving. Bye. I did it again! Freaking amazing. Imagination. Oh, oh, the humanity. That's what you're gonna give me? Crazy over there. Alright. Little backup spins. Let's see if we can get something. Come on. Oh. Alright.